Nak. She was a skater boy. She said, see you later, boy. La, 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 la. Galing ah, nag-skate. Oo, galing ah. Galing ah. Skate ka? Nak. Galing ah. She was a skater boy. She said, see you later, boy. Wow, galing ah. Mag-skate ka din, Nak. Iyon? 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 Oh. Ba? 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 Nak. Wow, galing ah. Oh. Tingin ah. Oh, galing ah. Whoop. Whoop. Iyon? Iyon?
Are you sure sa office ko na tulog? Hindi kung kanino bahay.
She said, see you later, boy.
Pagod ako. Wala akong panahon para makipag-intrigan sa iyo yan.
Ang galing ah. Yun? 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 Oh? Oh? Oh?